Today we'll be making a 5-minute black bean dip and garden salsa that is as easy as it is delicious. Here's what you'll need. A small onion, a half a tablespoon each of salt, pepper, and cumin, 2 cloves of garlic, a half of a jalapeno, 2 medium to large tomatoes, a handful of cilantro, and half of a lime. Add all these ingredients to the bowl of your food processor or blender. If you have an embarrassingly small food processor like I do, you might need to chop some of the ingredients down to make room for the rest. But don't you worry, it's all gonna fit. Make sure to taste for seasoning. Mine could use a touch more salt, so I'm gonna add that and continue to chop. That looks so good. Add the finished salsa to a bowl, but make sure you don't clean the excess out because we're gonna use this to flavor the bean dip. For the bean dip, into your food processor, you'll add a can of drained and rinsed black beans, making sure to spill them all over your workspace. Let's clean that up, making sure no bean gets away. Yep, that means you. Let's go. Add the other half of that lime, a couple glugs of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, a modest amount of cilantro, and half a tablespoon each of salt, pepper, cumin, and paprika. Switch your mode from chop to puree and struggle with your lid a little bit. Oh, there we go. And you're gonna puree before realizing you forgot a capful of vinegar. Okay. So that everyone is invited to the party, be sure to scrape down the sides of the food processor and keep pureeing so that, oh my God, is that blood? No, just paprika. Oh, thank God. Okay, let's finish this. Once again, taste for seasoning, and this needs nothing. It is perfect, and so are you. Use your cutest spatula to scrape all the bean dip into another bowl, and we'll garnish with a few slices of fresh jalapeno and throw a little cilantro on top of the salsa. I'm serving these with blue chips because they're my favorite, but you can eat this with any chip that tickles your pickle. Enjoy!